Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect OneDrive to Notion. Alright, let's begin. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want your OneDrive files to appear. You can use an existing page or create a new one based on your workflow. Once you're on the correct page, click anywhere on the page to activate the editor. Next, type a / and then type embed. From the menu that appears, select the Embed option. This feature allows you to display content from external platforms directly inside Notion. Now open OneDrive in a new tab and locate the file or folder you want to connect. Click on the Share option and copy the sharing link. Make sure the link permissions are set correctly, either View or Edit depending on your needs. Proper permissions are important so Notion can access the file without issues. Return to your Notion page and paste the OneDrive sharing link into the Embed field. Click the Embed Link button and wait for the file to load. Once it appears, confirm that the correct file or folder is displayed. So, that's basically how you can connect OneDrive to Notion. That's it for this video. Thanks.